up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Look at that. Definitely some suspension problems. That front right is hitting pretty good. Petty boy!
Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on.
Look at this. Petty boy. This is Petty Boy 64, aka Anthony Pettis, aka Dallin Petty, aka the Merit Badge Getter. Wink, wink. One of my best homies. Now back to the broadcast. 2019 F-150 Raptor. What do you think, Petty?
I think she's gonna pull in the chicks.
Yes, sir. It's got some nice fuel wheels, baby. But this is what I didn't know. I assumed there's gonna be some suspension damage, but I didn't realize there's gonna be this much because it's pretty roofed up. Look at that little control arm, and then this one got hit. So the wheel is like shifted that way. But I didn't know this, but these are fiberglass fenders, which is cool. But these nice fuel wheels, tinted black. Oh, I didn't realize that. It's got the step down.
Oh, the spaceship you got.
Let's see if there's any goodies that the people left in. Oh, dang it, we're missing the trim. Whatever they had in here before exploded, though. Empty. We've got this little manual. Ford Performance. Ooh, look at that carbon fiber. All right, the moment of truth. Did we get any goodies in here? Dun dun dun. Oh, what's this? We got a little beer koozie. Petty gets drunk every weekend, so this will be good for him. Do you want it?
Absolutely not.
Double Dav Hunt.
Good.
Nice little lint roller. Little Ford wipe.
What is this?
Listerine!
Listerine,
You
dude.
needed some.
Your breath stinks, dude.
What else
Got a
do we
mask,
get?
'cause-
Dude, this guy liked beer.
The Delta variant, dude.
Or beer cozies, at least.
You think he was drinking and driving? That's how I got in this situation.
Could have been. What are these? For medical only. Oh?
What is it?
It's like, that's like what I think they
This
use
is
for like medical marijuana.
Wait, what is this?
Our man's
Let's see what it smells like.
smoked weed.
Not that.
Are these empty? Oh, they're new. Let's see. No, yep, nothing in these. Probably smoked a little weed, eh? So we'll give her, I'll turn her on a little. I'm not gonna start her all the way. But the freaking moonroof, baby!
Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that.
Ooh! Oh, no, we don't want that to go down. We just want the moonroof. Oh, it's this button. Ooh! Look at that! Hoi! I don't know why the freaking airbag is so faded. It's weird. It looks like it's like sun-dried. Look at these nice seats. A Raptor, and then they have like this hexagon shape. Carbon fiber. All right, let's look around the rest of the truck, Betty. These freaking taillights are dope, though. I like those a lot. What do you think
I thought
about
that was rust. Why is there rust on tires?
Some rusty tires.
Mud right there.
Oh, you got some parts in here.
Some seeds.
You need some seeds? Here,
It's kind of hungry.
Petty, have some. Yeah!
They don't even taste like anything if they're washed out.
Oh, dang it. We got some parts. Oh, this is the headlight.
Ew.
Oh, the broken tabs.
Is that the old one?
Yeah. We'll check it out, see if there's any other good pieces. If it works.
Does this fold out?
Oh yeah. Push the button. She pops out. Give her a whirl.
What, just fold out?
No, that's, yeah, you step on that. Oh, baby.
Alright, that's some good use.
Freaking works. Oh, Petty!
Yeah,
What'd you do?
Ford, man.
Let's check the oil real quick. Look at these. Nice. Raptor. I like that. I'm kind of a fanboy for cool keys that different cars will have. I'm glad they personalize it with the Raptor logo. Ford Performance. Let's go. All right. Let's see. Oh, goodness. Thing's heavy. All right, fisheye mode. Wink. Yeah, she's dusty as fudge. Ooh.
Purple.
Good nut. That thing is like. Oh. She's a little dark. But she's got oil, baby. Look at that. Oh. There we go. Petty boy.
She's clean.
And Captain Kent, give us your opinion.
Yeah, tell us what you have to say.
You're screwed. This is Captain Kent, aka Kent Cat, aka my dad, aka one of the best dudes on this planet. Back to the broadcast.
Oh, giddy up.
Look at this.
How exciting.
Oh, yes. Look at the taillights. I want to see what you think of the
Oh, look at the
taillights.
taillights. Nice.
Isn't that cool?
So cool.
Yeah.
Look, it's been willing.
What?
It's been willing.
Yeah.
It's been sitting too.
Sitting in the mud of Texas.
I can see you in the reflection, baby. Oh, darn it. Look at that.
What?
Oh, come off with a little lacquer and
It
elbow
looks like
grease,
your
right?
mustache. Just a little bit of fur.
Let me see your mustache and beard. We gotta show everyone.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wee wee.
This is Inspector Gadget.
Nice.
There's
I think
the red
you need a new
rocket.
fender.
Yeah, we might need a new fender. I mean,
Whoa, look at
with this chunk,
Look what we got
I think we're
here.
gonna have to throw away these wheels too.
That's dead for the snow.
some extra traction in there. Beautiful.
What do you think?
Tires.
Beautiful.
It has oil.
That's a bonus.